Niko tuko kurase county ya Nyamira asto kumanyiko buna amaga yabamtie be bunge ye county ya Nyamira kotema asentunde ntangane ya kabire chichitanya kabajikonyora matunda yo kumrusia abisi yo governor okabire bwe county yo muske Amos Munyaribo abisi niko litukulia lero abanyarko bagwa kachikura wetera somuswada onyatuka bagwa ase bunge yo no muske Julius Matwere bwe wodi ya Bonyamatuta asabanyarko bagwa kachikura aba MCA emerongebere na batatu abonse banjirana buna omotsike Amos Munyaribo agendenga gatia momocho alia Amoske Kimuminyaribo Amos yabekire na linga no gotumeka bobe kwe abisi gose a piece of service na boy kogenda mamincha nelichiko mulikito fatika disemba nigekirana ase buge yugo sasa magoche bunge yo Nyamira na gotware ndio roboti rokobwatia
Gavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo onyorire ugwakwa wokogenderera kuyira county ya Nyamira buna Gavana maiga yaba MCA emerongo ebere na batatu waka ekura yo kumwaka isiko Nyaribo ekero kegikaro kebunge abu ase aba MCA bari kukwanira okuruziwa abisi ku Gavana oyo.
Honorable members, I now wish to announce the results as received. Total number of the votes cast 23. Yes votes that who voted for the yes 23. No votes 0. Abstain 0. Total number of 5 votes cast 23. Members, and the threshold impeachment of the governor is 2/3. And this case, 2/3 of the total numbers of the county assembly is 21.1. But there is no half a person. As per the votes cast here, 23, report on the removal of His Excellency Honorable Kimuminyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment, has now carried the day. Honorable members, His Excellency Honorable Amos Kimuminyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, now stands impeached.
Umuswada oyo nigo oigetiwe ase bunge eyo eiki ya etano mo MCA Bonyamatuta omuske Julius Matwere ase bare komomocha Gavana Nyaribo na mamocho arakabere ritangani no gutabwatia ekatipa egati ya mamocho ande naboigo okomocha gwakabere no botumeki obobe bwa BC.
Councils for the governor are telling us this is not a crime. Honorable Speaker and honorable members of the August House, we have done our part. This is the 3rd time we have come back to this same house to beseech the members of this house to crack the whip and send the governor home because he has failed to live up to the expectations of the people of Nyamira.
Wakiri Zerima Bonuke na boigo umbui ratemo nigo baigirira Gavana Nyaribo ase ebunge abwase bonsi bamochia aba MCA Banyamira amo na mamocho ayo ase bate ba taisaini komorusia bisi Gavana Nyaribo.
It's been put here probably to give it political light, which is fact. It's standing on straws. It cannot be sustained. Again, I will just point it out to the House. I hope my senior doesn't find this as a lie, but it's in the Constitution. The Constitution that says in the definition of gross violation, the Constitution has been laid out in the Constitution. It's not every violation or breach of the Constitution that can lead to the removal of a governor or deputy governor. Only a grave violation can lead to the removal. It must be substantial. None of these have been substantial. It must be serious. None of these are serious. It must be weighty. They are hanging in the air. They are not there. They cannot stand for themselves. There is no clear violation. of breach of the Constitution. Thank you.
Aba MCA 19 nabwo baikirana ase giikaro ikyo kurende aba MCA bane igati yabo Elijah Abere gwi kiama kia UPA, Julius Nyankana bwe wodi ya Bumwagamo, Edna Obara bwi kiama kia UPA, abaigo Priscilla Nyatiche nigo bonsi aba bane bataikirana kurende nigo amarube abo gochia asomonogeri bwe bunge eyo omusketa Dias Nyabaro yokubanchira bakirwe chikura anchiranwa egento keirera umubaro gwika 23.
Honourable members, as guided by the standing orders, now the office of the Speaker shall notify the office of the Speaker of the Senate for the necessary processing. Thank you.
Ono igego chikobwatia ingeri yabona umugabana Nyaribo nigo arachikobaga gwika ase Senate eryo gotema kwegerera gose na Nyarko baga koenda kuyira county ya Nyamira buna umugabana gose yaya Hingo reporter Getembe kuraiga samaga chamanene ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira aya gotoka meye ward ya township we bunge ya West Mugirango Nchefatigad Gisemba